probe on High Court Judge car scandal to begin in the next 2 days. This is big news coming in. This means apart from the transfer to the Allahabad High Court for Justice Verma, there could be further inquiry against him and a probe that could initiate, which also means possibly he may not be able to go and continue with his judicial work. According to our sources, Chief Justice Vindhya Khanna has sent letters to the 3-judge panel that it will decide rules now of investigation, the protocol, the guidelines in Judge car scandal. Judge Verma, remember, has been derostered from Delhi High Court. According to our information, he could be derostered from the Allahabad High Court as well. There's a committee of judges that will be probing this case and will begin the investigation in 2 to 3 days. But there will be some guidelines to look at also. Remember, in many ways, an unprecedented scenario. These wads of cash, half burnt, found from a sitting judge's house. Can he mention the reason of so much cash at his residence? Is it accounted? Is it white money? Where did so much cash come from? All of that will be, remember, of course, now investigated further. According to our highly placed sources in the top court of the country, there will be an in-house committee of 3 judges that will begin investigation in the next 2 days. Chief Justice Khanna has sent out letters already. Even if the central government approves the recommendation for the transfer, judicial work may get hampered, which is under the supervision of Justice Verma here. Joining me is Nalini Sharma, India Today's legal editor. Nalini, good morning. Tell me this as well. I believe in many ways this is an unprecedented scenario with regard to judiciary. What are you hearing about this investigation? What has led to it? Because it appeared that it was transfer and done.
Well, Pooja, it's been a long time coming that there has been a demand to set in some guidelines regarding judicial misconduct. But it remains to be seen whether or not the Justice Verma case becomes a prime example of that and actually brings an overhaul to the entire judicial system in India, because that's where it seems to be leading to right now. What we're given to understand is that the transfer has been recommended, the repatriation back to the Allahabad High Court, and how soon the central government can go ahead and approve that is something that remains to be seen. And at the same time, we're also expecting the developments to move forward on the front of the inquiry committee that has been set up by the Chief Justice of India, which is essentially going to look into what the chain of events that happened on the night of the 14th of March when the fire first broke out. So it remains to be seen exactly what is it that the inquiry committee finds during their inquiry. Also, how long will it take them to find the report and submit the report, because it will be only on the basis of their report that the future course of action is going to be decided, whether Justice Verma is going to let off or is he going to be asked to put in his resignation, or will the impeachment proceedings be initiated against him. All depends now on the inquiry report of this 3-member committee that is expected to start its inquiry soon.